Hi, everyone. Welcome to Sweetcode. This is Kitty here. We're working on Leetcode number 344, reverse string. It's an easy problem. So we want to write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of characters S. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with O of 1 extra memory. Okay, so the initial thoughts for how to solve this problem is let's write our inputs here. We have a string, let's say, just like the example, we have H, E, L, L, O, and we want to reverse it. So initial thoughts is that we can create a new string, and starting from the left and getting each character, we can add it from right to left. So the problem with this solution, the initial thought of the solution is that you're creating extra space, and the problem asks for only O of 1 extra memory. So we want to do this in place. So we need a solution on how to do it in place. So in place meaning that we want to use the same input and we want to create the output using the input. So we don't want to initialize a new string or a new object to return. So this should give you the hint that this is probably a two-pointer solution. And the way we're going to want to solve this is we want to have a pointer here, and we can call this L as left, and we can have a pointer here as right. And then we can go through the whole string. Let me erase this. So we can have, we're going to have some variables to keep track of the left and right. So we can get the char right, and then char left. We can set char right to equal char left. And then that means that we probably need a temporary variable to keep track of right, since right will now be left. So we can have a temp right equal char right. So then we can set the character to the left to character to right after we set character to right to character left. And we would go down the whole string until, so we want the left pointer and the right pointer to not equal each other, and then we will complete the whole string, and then we can return the input variable where it's reversed. So essentially, we want, so when we change the character on the right to character on the left, we can't use the same character on the right here when we change left to right, because now right is going to be equal to left. So we need to initialize a temporary variable to keep track of what right was before the change, so we could set the left character to the right character, the initial right character before the shift. So we want to initialize the indexed on the left to equal 0, and then the index on the right to equal the length minus 1. Oh. And then we're going to have a loop to go through the whole string until left meets right. So while left is less than right, we want to grab the character on the left and then the right, and then this is going to be the temporary right. S. And then now we want to do the shift. And then here I just created temporary variables before the shift for left and right. You don't have to do this, but this just makes it a little more readable. But that gives you the idea of getting what the character is before the shift. And then we want to return the input. So we're going to return, I guess we do not need to return. It's the void. So as long as we do the shifts in place, this should pass. Let's see if this is right. Oh, shoot, I forgot to increment left and decrement right. There you go.